Hello my dear friends, I am Reshma. I hope you all have started to prepare for the exam. And if any one of you have missed my previous video, please do watch. You can see the link in the bio. So, today I am going to discuss you with the goals and principles of social work. So, we can move to the session, the goals of social work. Du Bois and Millet in the year 2008 highlights the following goals of social work. First one is empower people individually and collectively to utilize their own problem solving and coping capabilities more effectively. So, empower people individually and collectively to utilize their problem solving and coping capabilities more effectively. The next is support a proactive position with regard to social and economic policy development to prevent problems for individuals and society from occurring. So, to prevent the problems for the individuals and society, support a proactive position with regard to social and economic policy development. Next important goal is uphold the integrity of the profession in all aspects of social work practice. The next is establish linkages between people and societal resources to further social functioning and enhance the quality of life. So, for the better social functioning and enhance the quality of life, establish linkage between people and societal resources. Next is develop cooperative networks. Develop cooperative networks within the institution resource system. The next important goal is facilitate the responsiveness of institutional resource systems to meet especially the health and human service needs. So, facilitate the responsiveness of the institutional resource system to meet health and human service needs. Next is promote social justice and equality of all people with regard to full participation in the society. So, promote social justice and equality of all people with regard to the full participation in the society. Next is contribute to the development of knowledge for social work profession through research and evaluation. Next is enhance communication through an appreciation of diversity and through ethically sensitive, non-sexist social work practice. The next important goal, employ educational strategies for prevention and resolution of problems. Employ educational strategies for the prevention and resolution of problems. The last important goal, embrace a world view of human issues and solution of problems. Embrace a world view of human issues and solution problems. And the goal that have been given are important and broad for the help of an individual in the society. At the same time, they transform and create structures that ensure full participation of marginalized individuals in the enjoyment of social services as well as resources of the community. And these changes help to make an individual and community a better place for everyone. So next we can move to the principles of social work. Social work principles. Principle of social work, which we means the basic ways in which social work works. There have been a variety of principles of social work put forwarded by various authors. However, the following are the most common to all others. Principle of acceptance, principle of individualization, principle of self-determination, principle of non-judgmental attitude, principle of confidentiality. There are other principles as well, like purposeful expression of feeling, controlled emotion involvement, objectivity, accountability, self-awareness, and principle of access to resources. Next, we can see each principle in detail. Principle of acceptance. Principle of acceptance means respecting clients under different circumstances and understanding the meaning and causes of clients' behavior and recognizing people's strength and potentials, weakness and limitations. Next is principle of individualization. Principle of individualization means that every client is unique for the worker and all people are unique and possess distinctive capabilities. And social workers affirm clients' individuality. They recognize and appreciate their unique qualities and individual differences. Next is principle of self-determination. Individuals, group and community who are in need have a right to determine their needs and how they should meet those needs. The importance of self-determination is based on the recognition of the right and need of client to freedom in making their own choices and decisions. Next important principle is principle of non-judgmental attitude. All human beings have dignity and worth, and it is intrinsic and it's by nature. The principle of non-judgmental attitude means that social workers do not judge others as good or bad, worthy or unworthy, dignified or undignified, etc. It is the way social work works, being non-judgmental. Next is principle of confidentiality. Confidentiality or the right to privacy. The social worker must not disclose the client's information such as their identity, their discussion with professionals, professional opinion about client or records. So these are about the important principles of social work. So today we have discussed about the goals and principles of social work. We have discussed the goals which are highlighted by Du Bois and Millet in the year 2008, and we have discussed some important principles of social work like principle of individualization, principle of self-determination, principle of acceptance, principle of confidentiality, principle of non-judgmental attitude, like that. So thanks for listening, and for the next session I am planning to discuss about the historical development of social work in UK, US and in India. So please don't forget to watch my next video. If you have any suggestion regarding my session, you can give me a comment. So please do watch my videos and support. So once again, thank you. See you on next video. Bye.